Well, Talybont Reservoir. Talybont Dam was started construction in 1932 and was complete in 1939. So the pipes and valves running through the dam are now over 80 years old and require some maintenance to ensure the safe operation of the dam and security of supply to our customers that are fed from the treatment works at the bottom of the dam. Before starting to replace the pipes and valves running through the heart of the dam, we had to carry out significant enabling works to ensure security of supply to the treatment works and security of supply to our customers, as well as compensation flows.
In order to do that, we've put in place some temporary measures by installing some siphon pipe work over the dam. This seems to be a first within Wales, certainly, and perhaps the UK. And this will run without power, but we have a pump system sitting there just in case, so we've got good resilience within the temporary system.
To replace the valves and pipes running through the heart of the dam, we need to isolate all of the pipes on the wet side of the dam in the reservoir. To do that, we had to carry out a number of dives, some at depths of 30 metres and then 60 metres up a tunnel, which have proved quite challenging.
Currently, the Talybont water treatment works is fed by the pipes within the dam. To replace these pipes, we need to isolate where the water enters the dam at 3 points and install a temporary supply to the works. The most challenging point to isolate is the bottom of the dam, 30 metres deep and at the end of a 60-metre tunnel. In order to remove the health and safety risk of someone working in confined space underwater, isolation will be achieved using an ROV, similar to a remote control car. The ROV will be lowered to the bottom of the reservoir by a crane, supported by pontoon. Once the ROV reaches the bottom of the reservoir, it will be driven into the tunnel. The ROV will have a top hat style plug, which will seal the wet side of the dam from the dry. This will then allow for removal of pipe work in a safe environment. Once all isolations are in place, water treatment works will be fed by temporary supply.
Placement of the pipes to Talybont Dam are one of the biggest projects that we've undertaken to date. It builds on the back of our success last year replacing the pipes at Cabin Cork Dam and builds our capability within Welsh Water of tackling these sort of projects.
One of the key things we've tried to do here is have actually no impact upon the customers. So we're still able to supply the treatment works and the river. One of these projects will do a lot of work and actually at the end of it no one will really see a difference. What it will do for Welsh Water and Welsh Water's customers is provide an asset that will last a long time and for generations to come.